So I just traveled to Jakarta today and I'm really exhausted. That's why this is just gonna be a really short and probably low quality video. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I do 100 push-ups every single day before 5 to 6 a.m. and it's fully documented on my Instagram. This is July 12th, 2025 and this is gonna be day 369 of consistently helping people build consistency. So one really simple way on how to actually be consistent at literally pretty much doing anything, exercising, studying, meditating, is to basically simply create on a small but long-term and realistic commitment to your close friend. Okay. So I recommend you to just do this online. Okay. Or literally meet that one person. Or you can also do it via chat. Okay. Online. So, four important steps that we are going to be doing here. First thing first, we are going to be politely asking for his or her time. Secondly, we are going to be explaining the urgency of the commitment. So, for example, you explain to him or her, hey, friend, I really wanted to study consistently because I wanted to be the best at my field, in my field of mathematics. I want to be the best because that's my passion. Okay, so that's the urgency of the commitment. And the third part is basically you create the commitment. What is the commitment? Make the commitment super clear. And yeah, just start small first. So for example, for the next 90 days, I'm going to be studying mathematics every single day for at least 10 minutes every single day. Okay. Maybe you need to also add some deadline before 5 a.m. every single day. Okay. Because we tend to procrastinate when we do not have any deadline. So the fourth step is to basically, this is on the extra actually, you can do it or not. Basically to give daily evidence, okay? Like, so for example, you just take a picture of yourself studying the mathematics. But this is only if he or she doesn't feel buttered by this extra evidence method. Okay, so just ask for his or her permission first. So why this is effective? Precisely because we have this commitment. Even on the days when we are not feeling motivated, we are still going to be having this moral obligation not to break the commitment, right? And actually, it's not really that hard to not break it because we just start small. 10 minutes every single day, 5 minutes every single day. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's day authenticity post today is July 12th, 2025, and today's memes are posted The Rock post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.